14 Great Jobs for Single Moms. Ladies, thanking you for stopping by. We hope this information helps you and please share. Now let's make some money, ladies. If you are a single mom looking for a job, it is helpful to know which opportunities allow you to maintain a healthy balance between work and personal responsibilities. Regardless of the nature of the job, you will need enough personal time and schedule flexibility to be able to successfully work and be a parent. This article will help identify the most appropriate jobs and what the main responsibilities are for each one. Virtual assistant, national average salary $19.16 per hour. Primary duties: virtual assistants provide remote administrative support for organizations and individuals. They are formally hired as either freelance contributors or as telecommuting remote employees. Their services are relative to the needs of a particular organizational person they are working for. General tasks include communicating with customers, creating schedules for fellow employees, word processing, translations, and other support-related tasks. The role typically implies working from home and having a relatively flexible schedule. 2 Social media manager, national average salary $44,829 per year. Primary duties: social media managers deliver product promotions and customer communication through an organization's social media channels. They reply to customer inquiries regarding the goods and services provided by the hiring company and post relevant links to videos, articles, music clips, and other media to engage the audience and strengthen the company's social media presence. Aside from excellent communication and customer support skills, a social media manager needs to be highly knowledgeable about each social media platform their company uses free. Copywriter, national average salary $61,560 per year. Primary duties: copywriters write messages for advertising, brochures, promotion, emails, billboards, online advertisements, and other texts related to advertising a product or a service. Their messages provide relevant and useful information to current and potential customers while ensuring that the company maintains a positive image. They can work for advertising agencies or copywriting agencies. They can also work as freelancers. 4. Teacher, national average salary $14.62 per hour. Primary duties: a teacher is a professional who works with students and helps them gain knowledge or competence on a particular subject. They develop course lessons, homework assignments, and examination materials. In many cases, teachers must find the best ways to assist students in learning through different mediums, such as text and video. The nature of the role depends on many factors, such as the age of the pupils, the subject that's being taught, and the type of school. 5. Sales representative, national average salary $65,176 per year. Primary duties: a sales representative sells products or services to potential customers. The role's main duties are typically advertising the products and services sold by the hiring company, identifying potential customers, and persuading them to buy a product through presentations and the use of various sales techniques. The most important skills for a sales role are good communication, knowledge of the products or services they sell, and negotiation. 6. Marketing representative, national average salary $46,397 per year. Primary duties: marketing representatives use specific techniques and strategies to raise customer awareness regarding the products or services sold by the hiring company. They work closely with the development and sales teams to calculate the right pricing and to determine the most effective sales and marketing channels to promote the products and services. Most employers prefer to hire marketing representatives with a bachelor's degree in a relevant field. But there are also many available roles where previous experience with marketing or sales is enough for consideration. 7. Entrepreneur, national average salary $44,886 per year. Primary duties: an entrepreneur is a person who starts a business to make a profit. In the primary phase of a company's lifespan, entrepreneurs typically handle most or all organizational duties such as managing employees, running day-to-day operations, handling sales and marketing duties. A person's suitability for the role of an entrepreneur depends on their skills and knowledge. 8. Customer service representative, national average salary $13.64 per hour. Primary duties: the main role of a customer service professional is to directly interact with customers on behalf of the hiring organization. Their primary duties are providing relevant information on the products and services sold by the company and responding to complaints made by customers. Most of the tasks revolve around answering customer questions and resolving issues. Many customer service representatives complete most of their tasks via computer and phone, meaning there are remote opportunities available within some companies. 9. Data entry clerk. National average salary $2,251 per month. Primary duties. Data entry mainly consists of using a computer to enter data into a company's system. The collected data can come from several sources such as audio files, handwritten forms, and internet feedback forms. Data entry jobs are typically done entirely by using a computer, making them well suited for a home-based position. They also don't typically require any previously gained skills or degrees except for basic computer skills and typing speed. 10. Childcare provider. National average salary $11.52 per hour. Primary duties. A childcare provider's main role is supervising and taking care of the needs of one child or have multiple children at a time. They can provide these services in childcare centers at the home of the children's parents or their own homes. Many childcare providers work full-time, but there are also many part-time or flexible hours positions available. The role has a high level of responsibility and requires good teaching and parenting skills, depending on the exact nature of the role. Other skills may be required, such as cooking or driving. 11. Coder. National average salary $20.91 per hour. Primary duties. Coders use computer languages to create websites, design web pages, and build other types of visual content for their employer or directly for clients. Becoming a coder typically requires earning a degree in a computer-related field. But many online courses can teach you how to code. Coders can work either independently on various projects or for a single company. 12. Graphic designer. National average salary $3,337 per month. Primary duties. Graphic designers are responsible for creating the artwork and other visual effects used in advertising materials, print media, web pages, and other forms of promotional materials. They use editing software and design knowledge to produce the company's or client's requests. Typical requirements for this position are creativity and a strong knowledge of photo editing programs. Several websites offer project-based graphic designer roles, making the job very flexible. 13. Phone interviewer. National average salary $11.89 per hour. Primary duties. Phone interviewers typically conduct market research interviews by telephone and collect data relevant to the company. They may cold call current or potential customers and ask questions regarding the company, his products or services, or the industry in general. Many phone interviewer positions require little education, but applicants usually need strong communication skills. 14. Blogger. National average salary $15.80 per hour. Primary duties. A blogger creates online content through blog posts, articles, copy, and other text. Bloggers can write about a variety of topics including personal activity, experience, or skills. Although initially meant for personal use, blogs have expanded and are now used for business networking or news sources. Again, ladies, thank you for stopping by, and please come back, Toodles.